We are going to be using the IRAC method to analyze a hypothetical law problem question on criminal law. So be sure to watch the video to the end, leave a like and ask your questions if you have any. Now, the hypothetical law problem question is this. Nkiru and Jane have been good roommates since their second year in the universities and sometimes exchange clothes. Nkiru bought a pair of new sweat shoes in preparation for the law dinner coming up on Friday. Unknown to Nkiru, Jane also bought the same type of shoes for the same occasion. On that Friday evening, Nkiru went to town to get some items for the occasion. Came back to the hostel and saw Jane already dressed for the dinner. She was putting on the sweat shoes. Nkiru, believing that Jane was putting on her own sweat shoes, was infuriated with anger, slapped Jane, pushed her down and pulled one of the shoes from her legs and hit her on the head with the shoe and left with a pair of shoes. Everything turned bloody. Jane collapsed and was soaked with blood oozing from her head. Andrew, Jane's boyfriend, who was at the scene and could not bear the sight of Jane losing consciousness, gripped Nkiru by the neck in an effort to strangle her, dragged her to the floor, stripped her naked and blindfolded her with her blouse. He raised his hand to give her some punches of blows. When other inmates rushed to stop him, it was then that they rushed Jane to the university clinic with relevant authorities, analyzed the legal issues involved, and advised the Lhasa Attorney General accordingly. Would your answer be different if Jane had died as a result of the wound? How many legal issues could you identify from the problem question stated earlier on? Let me know your answer in the comment section. And join us in the next series as we analyze the legal issues involved.